Hello YouTube, Daniel here. Just want to let you get a look at this kit I picked up off of Let Go. Yeah, she's cheap, buddy. Ooh-hee. That pick's probably not going to be too bad. But yeah. She is a cheap set. Got an extra little bit, I guess, goes on the end. The cable. I think if you bugger her up, you get no instructions with it. Pretty self-explanatory. Man, oh man, these things are covered in oil. Shit's like glue. Alright, in any case, tell me what you think. $40. It's got the piece to get the clamps off the radiator hose. You think it's worth $40? It's nothing extravagant. It's made in China. I took the sticker off. I thought $40, what the hell? Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. You know what?